How to fix Adobe sign-in loop problem. To fix the Adobe sign-in loop problem, first of all, you have to try to clear your browser cache or reset the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application using a shortcut command to force the secure authentication tokens to refresh it. So if you are on web browser, you simply have to tap on the address bar or the lock icon right next to the address bar to open this Cookies Inside Data panel. Once you tap on this, tap on the trash icon to remove all sorts of corrupted files and then proceed to reload the website itself and your problem should be fixed. Or else, you can simply open the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer, then press Ctrl Alt and R on your keyboard. This command flushes the system data cache and restarts all background Adobe core services. Tap Relaunch when the prompt appears, then try logging in once more. If you do this, your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.